How to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. When your WhatsApp contacts are not showing, names are missing, or new numbers are not appearing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to sync your WhatsApp contacts on any Android phone. First, open your phone's settings and go to Accounts. Choose WhatsApp from the list. Now tap on Account Sync and make sure Contacts is turned on. If it's off, turn it on and press Sync Now. Next, open your Contacts app on the phone. Tap the menu and choose Refresh. This will reload all saved numbers from your phone into WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp and tap the new chat icon. At the top right corner, tap the three dots and choose Refresh. WhatsApp will now scan your phone and sync the latest contacts. If you still don't see names, check the permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, and Permissions. Make sure Contacts permission is allowed. Without this permission, WhatsApp cannot read your phone book. Another reason contacts don't sync is because they are hidden. Open your Contacts app and make sure Show All Contacts is selected. Sometimes Google account contacts or SIM contacts get hidden. If you recently saved a number, wait a few seconds, then refresh. WhatsApp needs time to update the new contact. If nothing works, clear WhatsApp cache. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This will not delete any data and fixes sync problems instantly. Finally, restart your phone. A simple restart helps refresh the contact system and solves many issues. Now open WhatsApp again and tap New Chat. All your contacts should be visible and fully synced.